Hi! In today's video, we'd like to overview the best OWL plugins that can bring ChatGPT features to your Excel spreadsheets. Here you can see the top 3 apps we have explored. Now let's review all the options in detail and rate all the solutions from 1 to 5. Let's start with AI Perfect Assistant. It works across Office 365 apps, with one license, has over 60 prompts, and high customization level. In Excel, you can ask the AI assistant anything in plain language, and it gives you a formula you can use without wrecking your brain. Another useful feature is explaining formulas. If you get a sophisticated Excel spreadsheet and can't understand the structure, you just highlight the formula and get a clear explanation of how it works and what cells or columns are affected. Integrated AI chat is very useful as well. It helps to get more information about the document and can offer insightful suggestions on its improvement. We can rate AI Perfect Assistant as 5 out of 5. It integrates seamlessly and works across multiple Office apps with a single license, has super easy interface, and a rich prompts library. It also offers high level of customization, and all that is for a reasonable price. So we recommend trying it with the free version today. TwistlyCells integrates right into Excel and offers multiple tools for structuring tables, translating, summarizing, formatting, creating lists, and more. Each tool has a specific how-to guide and a formula example. However, it would be great to add Formula Explainer to TwistlyCells, as Excel might be a bit difficult to master. Also, the app itself is not very user-friendly and lacks customizations. We rate TwistlyCells at 4 out of 5. It is a solid AI add-in for Excel with a good range of AI tools. A helpful tool overall, though it could benefit from more user-friendly refinements. Next is GPT for Work. It offers AI add-ins across Excel, Word, Google Sheets, and Docs. Users can choose from multiple AI models for different use cases. You can fulfill many tasks, translate, classify, extract, generate, and explain formulas. Customizations are available. However, the users without a robust background might get a bit lost, as you have to set the header rows, choose AI model, and specify cells yourself. The tool is very sophisticated. Also, the pricing structure is very vague. We rate GPT for Work at 3 out of 5. It is a versatile add-in that covers a wide range of tasks across both Excel and Google Sheets. Its multi-AI model support makes it flexible, but the lack of user guidance and vague pricing reduce its accessibility. May be better suited for tech-savvy users. So which Excel plugin is right for you? AI Perfect Assistant is the most complete solution out of 3. It improves your Excel spreadsheets workflow, from generating and explaining formulas to giving insights on your tables in seconds. If you also want to bring ChatGPT features to your Excel, try AI Perfect Assistant today.